Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to switch to a personal account on Instagram. So if you are on a business account or a professional account, but you want to switch back to a personal account on Instagram, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. But make sure you follow all the steps so that you don't mess up and that it works perfectly for you. But first things first, head over to the Instagram app and then click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now I'm just going to switch to a business account real quick to show you guys exactly how to do it. Or a professional account. As you can see, I just switched to a professional account, and now I'm gonna have the professional account set up on my account. Now, as you can see, it is a professional account and not a personal account. As you can see, I have the business option and everything. But to switch back to a personal account, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings option. Once you do that, you want to scroll down until you find the option for account, and once you find it, click on it. It'll bring you to the account page here. Now here, scroll all the way down until you see the option to switch account type. Click on that and it'll show a couple options here, and you want to click switch to personal account. If you click switch to personal account, it'll tell you you're going to lose all the professional account statistics and everything, but just click continue and then it will start to switch your account to a personal account. Now you just have to wait a little bit and then it will switch it to a personal account. Now as you can see, if you go back, there's no business or professional account statistics or anything, and it is a personal account. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.